Chapter 1: Crop Production and Management. Paheli and Bujo went to their uncle's house during the summer vacation. Their uncle is a farmer. One day they saw some tools like kurpi, sickle, shovel, plough, etc. in the field. I want to know where and how we use these tools. You have learned that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves. Can you recall how green plants synthesize their own food? Animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. So, where do animals get their food from? But first of all, why do we have to eat food? You already know that energy from the food is utilized by organisms for carrying out their various body functions, such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. We get our food from plants or animals or both. Since we all need food, how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? Food has to be produced on a large scale. In order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management, and distribution is necessary.